Calculus plays a significant role when you are dealing with some physics problems. A good knowledge and application of calculus help you understand the physical phenomena and their applications, which deal with continuous change. The two major concepts on which calculus is based on, derivatives and integrals. And in this segment of Saral Physics, we are going to understand about derivatives and differentiation. So let's begin with the derivative. The derivative of a function is a measure of rate of change of a function. Now I can bet some of you must be thinking this is not as subtle as it seems, right? Let's break it down a bit and first understand what a function is. Because this word will appear again and again whenever there is any involvement of maths. Suppose we want to make a sandwich. For that we would need some basic ingredients like bread, tomato, onion, cheese, and most importantly, a machine or a device to process all of these. So if we process all these things through a sandwich maker, then as a result, we get a hot and tasty sandwich. The taste and quality of our output depends on input and the processing unit. Now suppose we have an equation here, says y equals to x square. Here y is our output and x is our input, which is processed by a square function. So if x equals to 1, y equals to 1. If x becomes 2, y will become 4. When x equals to 3, y equals to 9. This means we can say that the value of y depends on x. So mathematically, y is our dependent variable while x is our independent variable, because our result y depends on the values of x. So the expression y equals to fx, we read it like y is a function of x or y depends on x. In mathematics, we have so many different types of functions. For example, trigonometric functions like y equals to sin x, cos x, tan x, or logarithmic functions like y equals to log x. Exponential functions like y equals to e to the power x, and many more. I hope you get some idea about the functions. Now let's get back to our definition of derivatives, which says the derivative of a function is a measure of the rate of change of a function. That means the study of corresponding changes in y with respect to changes in x. And here we can use delta just to represent the word change. And if the changes are very small, these delta y and delta x will be written as dy and dx. The notation dy and dx are known as differentials, as this word differential comes due to the difference between two values. And the process used to find the derivatives is called differentiation. So we can say the derivatives of a function y with respect to variable x is represented by dy over dx or f dash x. That's all for this segment of Saral Physics. Hope you get basic idea of functions and derivatives. In our next videos, we will learn about graphical interpretation of dy over dx and the integration part. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.